They must have given us the wrong room number, but we'll show you. Here we go. No, it's all right. I'm casually holding pizza. We just got back from Jimmy Fallon, so.
Chasers.
Some chasers, yeah.
I took 3 flights to get here today.
It's fine. It's all good. Here's our personal elevator.
That's 2 others. That's some 2 others.
Yeah.
Down to 8.
World's most ridiculous elevator. And they take forever. That's the only bad part. It takes a little bit of
as
time.
long as the first one.
Yeah. We'll see. It is nighttime, so we have to be kind of quiet, but welcome to room 803. Welcome to room 803. You've got your study, I guess. Don't mind the pizza. I'm making this before I had any food, so that is our own supplied adult beverages. You've got a couch. I don't know, it looks like it maybe pulls out into a bed. These are all windows. It's dark outside right now, but you've got a flat screen TV here. You make your way down the hallway. You've got a kind of a smaller TV. Yeah, don't mind Hannah's mess. King size bed. Got a pretty big closet, actually a fairly large closet for a New York room. And then you come this way. This is actually a door. We don't know why we can't. We don't know why we can't go out.
Is there a sign on it?
But it's locked.
Please watch your step.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe during the summertime it is. We'll see. Huge bathroom. That's your toilet section, your walk-in shower, and your vanity. It's definitely an older hotel. Yeah, so this is the door here, and it's locked.
I mean, there's a large balcony out there.
Yeah, I'll try to show you a little bit of it tomorrow. But yeah, room 803. We're at the Hampton Inn Financial District in Lower Manhattan.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found